Digital Cockpit 2019 offers an in-car experience that seamlessly blends with your smart lifestyle. Fully integrated with Bixby, the 2019 Digital Cockpit gives you total control of your connected life. Using onboard cameras, the new Digital Cockpit recognizes specific drivers and passengers and sets up the car space accordingly, adjusting the display preferences, seat height, lighting, and keying up favorite playlists for each user. We've also doubled the number of screens to a total of 6, so every passenger can enjoy a personalized experience. And now, all passengers can also connect to in-vehicle Samsung DeX to get work done on the go. The new Digital Cockpit allows for a safer driving experience. With our mirror replacement vision system and camera-based safety solutions, we can alert drivers of nearby moving objects, keep drivers from dozing off while on the road, and help vehicles understand traffic conditions ahead. Our cellular V2X technology combines Samsung's expertise in mobile network solutions with Harman's automotive technologies. So your car can alert nearby vehicles of accidents ahead or understand traffic conditions ahead.